Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Surface Pro 4 is awake and you're signed in as an administrator. This permits device changes. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager, and open the app. This is where Windows lists hardware. You do this because touchscreen is managed as an input device entry. Changing it here disables the sensor without driver's removal. Make sure power is stable so settings persist. Then locate the Human Interface Devices group to find the touchscreen entry. Now you disable the touchscreen entry. You expand Human Interface Devices, find the HID-compliant touchscreen listing, and right-click it. Choose Disable Device and confirm. You do this instead of uninstalling because it preserves the driver for easy re-enabling. Once disabled, the entry will show a down arrow or status change. This means touch input is off. Make sure you don't disable unrelated HID items, only the touchscreen entry, so keyboards and mouse remain functional for control. Finish by testing touch, tap the screen. If it's disabled, you're done. If touch still responds, reboot once. Sometimes the change needs a restart to take full effect. If reboot fails, re-enable the device, right-click and uninstall the HID-compliant touchscreen driver, then restart to force Windows to redetect. Afterward, disable it again. One troubleshooting tip: if Device Manager doesn't show the entry, enable Hidden Devices View and check for duplicate HID items. Then proceed carefully to avoid disabling essential peripherals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.